Today's news, 17 July 2020. Good morning, you're listening to Khushbu, your news anchor from La Fara News. Here we bring you all the updated news from around the world. India and the European Union agreed to renew agreement on scientific cooperation for the next 5 years at the 15th India EU Summit, Ministry of Science and Technology. UP Police STF arrest Gajendra Singh, a key aide of 1993 Mumbai blast case convict Abu Salem, who worked in his illegal property business in Delhi NCR. In view of these challenges, EC has decided not to issue the notification to extend the facility of postal ballot to the electors above 65 years of the age in the coming general elections in Bihar and by-election due in the near future. EC says it has limited number of electors in Bihar to 1000 per polling station for ease of voting, especially for elderly and vulnerable electors in COVID-19 situation. The state is creating additional 34,000 polling stations. This would require additional 1.8 lakh poll personnel, cars, etc. EC decides not to extend postal ballot facility to citizens above 65 years in Bihar and other impending bypolls. However, voters above 80 years, disabled, those engaged in essential services and COVID positive patients in home. Mumbai. Portion of Bhanushali building at Fort collapses. Search operation underway. 4 fire tenders present at the spot. 7 people trapped after building collapses in Mumbai. I have heard that repair work was underway at the building. The families still in the building will be evacuated. Shiv Sena MP Arvind Sawant, Mumbai. Thoothukudi custodial death case, Madurai District Court sends to judicial custody the 4 policemen from Satankulam Police Station. 2 consular officers of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad were provided unimpeded and uninterrupted consular access to Jadel at 1500 hours, Pakistan Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Water logging in Sion area of Mumbai following heavy rainfall in the city. Greta Thunberg demand crisis response to climate change, reports Reuters. Mumbai, portion of Bhanushali building at Fort collapses. Search operation underway. 4 fire tenders present at the spot. Delegation of Telugu Desam Party MPs meet President Ramnath Kovind. Demands his urgent intervention to help uphold democratic politics and rule of law in Andhra Pradesh. Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel Dharmendra Pradhan will meet with his American counterpart, US Secretary of Energy, tomorrow to co-chair the second India-US Strategic Energy Partnership Ministerial meeting through virtual meetings. I, Khushbu, will come with new updated news tomorrow.